Eliminate manual preparation of DXF flat files for the shop floor. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant helps automatically prepare DXF flat files for your nesting software, including the testing of each sheet metal part for manufacturability. This process starts by queuing up a small to large batch of sheet metal CAD models to generate DXF flat files from. During the DXF flat file generation process, Global Edge can automatically make adjustments to the CAD models, such as bend radius and K-factor. Global Edge fully automates the preparation of DXF flat files sorted by material, thickness, and job due date. Global Edge eliminates the manual preparation of DXF flat files and provides automated generation of CAM bending programs without human intervention. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.